the Department of Commerce, Cooch Behar Panchanan Burma University, in collaboration with
Good afternoon to all, respected registered sir on the dais and our resource persons and my beloved students. We are here for 2-day Tally Prime workshop, and it is too much related with our life in that sense. You know, if the heart beating stops, then what happens? You know, the whole body collapses. In the same way, if the managerial system or the financial management stops working, then the whole managerial system, whole the business will collapse. And you know, the tally is nothing but the heartbeats of the business system. So, keeping in mind that the tally is not just a software, it is the, you know, the engine of thinking, and not only that, it is a financial brain, and it is very much related in our business system. And it also speaks the truth of the number and the profit and the logic of the profit and rhythm of the organizations. So, keeping in view all these things, the tally is not a software. We have organized, our department has organized these 2-day workshops for enriching you. And you know, in recent times, you have an information that AI has taken its place, and mostly hampered by the AI is our accounting students, because the AI do everything. So there is no requirement of that. So Tally is a tool of accounting, you know, but that is not like that. AI has some efficiency, but AI is not the human being. The objective and the financial strategist, the students, the accountant should be the financial strategist. With the help of AI, they can control the business. What should be the motive of the business and how will the business run and the profit? The AI will not calculate all those things. So AI plus the human being will actually enjoy the coming future. So I hope all of you students enjoy the 2-day workshops and enrich yourself, because in this workshop you will also focus on AI. There's some information, and our resource persons from ICA will provide you that type of guidance and will enrich your life. And I thank you all again and enjoy this.
Today, Tally Prime workshop is organized by the Department of Commerce. In our privilege to say that it's important what the Department of History, Department of Commerce, the head of the department has explained the importance of the Tally. So it is very important. It is not only the commerce, but also it is also related to the country also. So if the country
CA EduSkills organized a 2-day workshop on Tally Prime and AI-based accounting tools under the supervision of Dr. Amit Kundu, head of the Department of Commerce. The program was designed to provide hands-on training to commerce students and scholars, equipping them with practical knowledge of modern accounting software and AI-integrated business tools that are increasingly vital in today's digital business environment. In his opening address, Dr. Kundu highlighted the evolving role of accountants in the age of artificial intelligence. He stated, AI will not replace accountants, it will replace accountants who refuse to adapt. The future belongs to those who combine human intelligence with artificial intelligence. He encouraged students not to fear AI, but to collaborate with it, emphasizing that while AI can perform data entry, reconciliation, and reporting faster, it cannot replace human ethics, judgment, and strategic understanding. The primary objective of the workshop was to familiarize participants with Tally Prime and to provide practical exposure to essential accounting processes such as company creation, ledger management, voucher entry, and the purchase and sales cycles. The workshop also introduced students to AI-based accounting applications and their role in shaping the future of business. Additionally, training was provided on inventory management, unit management, and data security, including data backup and restoration in Tally Prime. The sessions were structured across 2 days to balance theory and practice. The first day began with an introduction to Tally, covering installation, company creation, and security features, followed by practical sessions on ledger creation and voucher entry. The second day focused on the purchase and sales cycles and the integration of AI-based accounting tools in business processes. The final session dealt with inventory management, godown configuration, and data backup techniques, giving participants a complete view of computerized accounting operations. The workshop emphasized experiential learning through real-time practice in the computer lab. Students gained exposure to live accounting scenarios using Tally Prime, while the inclusion of AI-based tools gave them a futuristic perspective on automation and digital finance. The event also highlighted the importance of accuracy, data security, and analytical thinking in accounting practices. Participation was open and free for commerce students, with 46 participants selected on a first-come, first-served basis. Both undergraduate and postgraduate students took part enthusiastically, reflecting their growing interest in technology-driven accounting systems. By the end of the 2-day workshop, participants were able to install and configure Tally Prime independently, create and manage companies and ledgers, record purchase and sales transactions, and apply AI-based tools for smarter financial analysis. They also learned how to manage inventory efficiently and ensure data safety through systematic backup and restoration. Overall, the workshop successfully bridged the gap between academic learning and practical industry requirements. Under the mentorship of Dr. Amit Kundu, students received valuable insights into computerized and AI-driven accounting systems. The initiative significantly enhanced their employability and professional competence, preparing them to thrive in an increasingly technology-oriented financial world.
All of this.